Hello, welcome back to How to Cook Rate. How you doing, everyone? So look, today we're going to make a base curry sauce, something that you can freeze. It's really good to kind of freeze and kind of, bulk do it, and then you can sort of make a curry as you wish. It's really, really simple. There's very, very few ingredients to it, so let's get on with it. So with a little bit of oil in my pan, I'm going to put in about 6 cups in total of sliced onions. Nothing else goes in. You don't have to put any salt or pepper in anything. And on a medium heat, cook these for about 10 or 15 minutes and kind of get them kind of nicely soft, as you can see there, and kind of brown. Some people even blacken them. So we can set them aside, and then we're going to go for, I've got about 10 regular size fresh tomatoes there. Just cut them how you want. You don't need to kind of chop them in any way. Okay, spices. So we've got salt, black pepper, chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin, and what we've got there is 4 teaspoons of each. So you can see the machine that I've got. I'm gonna have to do this in 2 parts because the amount. So get some tomatoes in, get some of the spices in, which I kind of mixed up, get some of the onion in, and off you go. Give it a nice old blend up, a nice whiz. So I've added the onions, the tomatoes and the spices, but I didn't add any ginger garlic paste, which you can do if you want. Ginger garlic paste is that kind of stuff, used a lot in lots of curries. You can buy it or you can make it yourself like I do. But if you want, put it in. But what I prefer to do is when I'm making my curry, I can get some kind of whole seeds in there, some cumin seeds and stuff like that. Get some chicken in there, a little bit of onion and all that. Then I'll put in the ginger garlic paste along with fresh chili as well. So you could put fresh chili in and you could put the ginger garlic paste into the sauce, but I prefer not to. Up to you. So in a nice large pan, you're gonna need the kind of pan to take the amount that you've got now. You don't need to put any oil or anything in, just drop that in, and on a nice kind of lowish heat. You need to cook this now for 15, 20 minutes maybe. Nice low, slow, stir it around, let it cook and do its thing in there. It's very, very simple, this. So job done. It's perfect like this, but I like to get in with my little blender and kind of smooth it out just a little bit. Again, up to you if you want to do that or not. So once this cools down, what you can do is get about a cup, 1 cup really, get that into a container of some sort. It could be a kind of bag or it could be a kind of plastic container. Get that in the freezer. It will stay in there for a month or something like that, or maybe longer, and then you can just take it out and use it as you wish. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. So you've now got a base sauce there, so you could be adding some coconut milk to this, you could be adding some fenugreek to it, some other spices, to kind of adjust it to make the dish that you're looking for.